and welcome to the last episode of this season at Kipits. Now today we're going to learn about functions. Now, what is a function? Well, in order to understand what a function is, I have a little something here. So this is my machine, because it's easier to think about a function as a machine, because everybody knows a machine. So a machine performs something. No, it performs a task. Like if we're talking about a machine like an engine for a car, well, an engine basically makes the car go forward. And so in this case, this is not as complex. This will just multiply numbers by 10. That's all it's gonna do. So we're gonna put in a number and out comes the multiplied number by 10. And why are we gonna talk about this? Now the thing is, we already talked about variables, we talked about algorithms, and we talked about data types. And all of these ideas, they play a role when it comes to functions. Because like when we set up a function, we need to say or program what kind of data my function is supposed to receive. In this case, this machine only accepts numbers. So this is a number machine. You can't put anything else in it. If you have a machine that creates pipes out of metal, well, you're not going to put in wood, right? So in the same way, if you have a machine that takes numbers or a function with numbers, you're not going to put in anything else like letters, like text, like my name or your name, whatever they might be. So this only takes numbers. And the way it works, I'm going to demonstrate. This is a 1, so I'm going to put the 1 inside the function, that's the input, and then it performs its task, and out comes the output, which is 10, because we multiplied the 1 by 10, and 1 times 10 is 10. Now, we're going to do the same thing with the 2. So, we take the 2, which is a number, put it into the input, it performs its task, and out comes the output, which is 20. Or 2 by 10 is 20. Now, one more time, we're going to take the 3, we're inputting the 3 into the function. The function performs its task, and out comes 30. Because 3 times 10 is 30. Now, what did we see? We saw that we inputted a number, it did something inside of the machine, and then out came a different number. So, what we can learn from this is a function takes an input, it performs a task, and produces an output. Now you put one thing in, and out comes another. That's what a function does. And you can also think of the task that is performed inside as an algorithm, because that's basically what it is. And so that's it. Just remember, you put something in, it performs a task, and out comes something else. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for our second season. See you next time at Kipits. If If you like this video, then find in the caption below our YouTube link and like and subscribe.